Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can play Instagram Reels at 3 times speed. So let's get right into it. Now, currently on the Instagram app, the only thing that you can play, or the only reels that you can play at 3 times speed are your own, if you set that speed to be the default once creating the reel. So if I go over into my reel creation, as you'll see in the bottom, in the left hand side menu, you'll see that I have this speed icon right over here. Now you can go all the way from 0.3 all the way to 3 times speed. So all you need to do is select 3 times speed, and then you can either record your own video or upload one from the gallery. I'll just record a quick video myself like this. Of course, you can set it up to last as long as you want, for up to 90 seconds. Then once that's done, just go into next. And while editing the video, as you can see, I recorded for a couple of seconds, but here it only shows 2, and that's because it sped it up for 3 seconds, or for 3 times. So from 6 seconds it went into 2. Then you can post this reel and people will be able to view it in 3 times speed. And sort of a life hack is, if you can download or screen record any reels, you can then of course, edit them through your own device and set the speed from your own device. But if you wish to look at reels on Instagram and speed them up or slow them down, that's not possible. There is no such option on the app. You can use third-party apps, which either enable you to view reels, and then you can use their native settings if they have them, or you can just go ahead and try any sort of add-ons for Instagram if you can see them or if you can find them on the internet. I'm not gonna vouch for any as for the security of them, because I'm just not aware if their security is good enough or not, and I'm not even sure which ones exist. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.